Hello, ma'am. This is Romel Sosodia. So I have designed an multi-channel fire alarm system. So this is my system and the wiring, and there are like three multiple sensors, like a flame sensor, temperature sensor, and a smoke sensor that detects the like different kind of things at the same time, like the in the fire detection system. So whenever the flame goes near to the flame sensor, it's make the buzzer make the noise, and like people will get to know that the there is a fire in a home. And in is the same thing in a temperature sensor as well. So our temperature is 60 for the like buzzer. So yes, this is my system, and whenever the flame goes near to the like whenever the fire happens, the buzzer will ring and people will get to know that there is a fire in the room. Thank you.